Today's Quranic word of the day is Mulk, which means kingdom. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the Prophet Sulaiman a mulk greater than anyone from the past or future. In his kingdom, he had the jinn and animals under his command, and he could even control the wind. Mulk is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can give to whoever He pleases, because He is Malik al-Mulk, the owner of all kingdoms. And in the same way, He can take it away from whoever He chooses. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us multiple times in the Quran that the mulk of the heavens and the earth belong to Him. And on the Day of Judgment, He will gather all mankind and say, لِمَنِ الْمُلْكُ الْيَوْمِ, who does the kingdom belong to today? لِلَّهِ الْوَاحِدِ الْقَهَّارِ, to Allah, the One, the Supreme. Subhanahu wa ta'ala, how perfect and exalted is Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content, inshallah.